My Rari outruns your Odyssey. I broke it off cause I'm not settling. I gotta get for the lip on a trip killing me. Yeah, it's like that, I'm in your girl's mentions. Yeah, it's like that, she got good dimensions. I'm balling, they pay me attention. Going up, hydraulic suspension.
You don't want this. From where I'm from, let a change stay constant. Me and other monsters, bonkers, mobsters, stompers, conscious conkers. Man, it's hard like that. Big bouncer, man, he got bored like that. If I give a girl V, then she call right back. True phones don't call my gaff, where the war like that.
You on my mind a lot. Don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Get us bang, need you every day. You like my oxygen. Make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart, no barging in. From the bed to the floor to the couch. My weight, the neighbors up. Break you in and break you out. In the end, we gon' make the child. And then we gon' hit the shower. Part 2, we don't need a couch. Get real misty, we gon' get tipsy. Need a power shot.
Baby, and I am going to steal your bitch.
I just unlocked it, yeah. Shotgun shorty, the bitch an accomplice, yeah. They give me the bag, you think it's a hostage, yeah. All white foreign, I'm whipping a Doncic, ooh. Been locked in, been doing my thing. Acting like y'all don't know what I mean, huh? Y'all act way too Hollywood, y'all too cool, that was never my scene, yeah. Betting on me and my team, I ain't make no money till 2019, yeah. They know when it light green, I'ma pull a Mike Green, yeah. I'ma go out with a bang, running with my government name. Y'all got way more plays, cool, I got more in my bank. No budget on my chain, still unsigned, I'ma let that hang. Bust that down, I'ma go insane. In my city, I'm a young Bourdain. I don't need no reservation, pull up when you know hesitation. I don't need more motivation, I am not impressed by the press y'all get. Been building up my own reputation. Got here, no navigation. It's a whole celebration, and you ain't getting no invitation, nah. I just unlocked it, yeah. Shotgun shorty, the bitch an accomplice, yeah. They give me the bag, you think it's a hostage, yeah. All white foreign, I'm whipping a Doncic, ooh. Too late now, no, y'all can't stop it. I'm too deep in the pocket. I'm so tired of the gossip, talking about nonsense, getting off topic. It's about time for a drink in a white line. White guy with a white claw, white wine. Might pull up in the foreign like you will never get this. I'm bull rap with the high fives. Shorty got a bubble like blow pops, in a pair of dirty white low tops. Grew up out in Beverly Hills, so I put it in her face like Botox. Remember when you said I fell off? Ooh, remember when you said I had no shot? Y'all too low on the list of the fucks I give right now, I got no spot. I just unlocked it. Shotgun shorty, the bitch an accomplice.
Welcome to the after party, we just getting started. A couple more shots of Bacardi, had your bro retarded. I've seen some people give up on me cause they thought I lost it. I thought I lost my match for good this whole time, it's been on me. But now I'm bike, she throw a bike, I got a handle on me. My flow on fire, you would think I kept a candle on me. I'm not a liar, let you see my phone, it ain't my homie. Shawty just cried to her ex, now she cried when she called me. That's a flagrant, miss a fragrance all over my body. But I cannot move the way she want me to, that shit get costly. And I cannot get back anytime I fucked around and lost it. No matter how much bread I get, I wouldn't buy back all your love. Balloon release about every week for the dealing department. I didn't go this time, I know, forgive me dog, I'm sorry. It's just I wish I was the one invited to that party. I've lost so many, I wish they were here, I'm getting harder. Glad to see you all again, it's been a long time. I've been focusing on myself, trying to get it right. Excuse me for a second, shawty want me to reply. On second thought, never mind, who just walked inside?
Yes, Lord! We just feeling good right now. You know what I'm saying? We just I can't be distracted, you heard me? Stop, send that bitch right now, what's out? Know how to refocus for gratitude, but not show me no attitude. I turn your feet into feathers, bird winter propellers, now peep out the altitude. I know how to reroute them bricks like I'm Arthur Smith, I'm making them Falcons move. Life was stressing me out, but I sacrificed and did what I had to do. Thanking God I'm living this life, I won't live it twice, I'll never be mad at you. Say I'm in the air now, and I don't chase down nothing that's tangible. I've been working, increasing my stamina. Allah's the best of planners, yeah, not planning for the implantable. I'm humble, remaining an animal. Make sure you keep your head up when told you won't be nothing. Told that a lot of times. I lost a lot of pockets, I cried a lot of times. They said I was a problem, labeled me a problem child. I done a lot of crimes, survived a lot of times. Fast forward to modern times, I look like dollar signs. I'm driving foreign cars, I don't apologize. I'm f***ing foreign bros, I done a lot of dimes. I don't apologize, I don't apologize.
Good morning. Week. Hold up. Everybody take a deep breath in.
Buenos dias.
All right, good morning.
Okay, what's up, man?
Week.
Good morning. Dímelo. Tranquilo.
Terrible.
It doesn't want to fucking, Why do you have to know how to work his own money, guy?
Best of show with the check for $2,000. $2,000? $2,000.
Double what
okay?
Else. $2,000.
With the wheel that Josie's holding up right now. 2015 Dodge Charger goes to my man Michael Lightfoot.
Let's go.
Michael Lightfoot, where you at, bro?
Welcome to the after party. Funky though I'm good, I'll be alright. I'm living while the young is still alive. Welcome to the after party. Don't we put that bottle up high. It's been one hell of a night. Welcome to the after party. I might pop another for the night. I need something that can ease my mind. Welcome to the after party. They say they love me, but they lie. I should've known this happens every time. Welcome to the after party. Fuck it, though I'm good, I'll be alright. I'm living while the young is still alive. Welcome to the after party.